COVID rules at the event last Friday, the Scottish Conservative said she'd undermined public health messages about wearing a face covering. Diplomats in Brussels say a post-Brexit deal between the UK and EU could be finalised within hours. Negotiators have been working frantically to reach a compromise to minimise trade disruption from the 1st of January, and the transition period will come to an end. Georgina Rice from the Institute of Government says it's impossible to say if the two sides really have overcome the last differences between them.
We know that there are things moving, and they seem to be moving quite quickly. It's not clear yet whether there's a deal, but as soon as we know that it will be published back online, and so Brexit analysts like myself, but also government economists will be able to look at the text. But I would not want to put any money on whether there will be a deal by Christmas, because Brexit is unprecedented.
The England footballer Kieran Trippier has been banned from playing for 10 weeks for allegedly breaking betting rules. The former Spurs defender, who now plays for Atletico Madrid, has also been fined £70,000 by the Football Association. He denies any wrongdoing. Casey Gorman reports.
Kieran Trippier was charged by the FA in May over bets placed around the time of his £20 million move to Atletico Madrid from Tottenham in July 2019. The 30-year-old was accused of breaking the rule which states players cannot provide inside information to anyone who could use it for betting. Trippier's worldwide suspension means he will currently miss a total of 12 games for La Liga's leaders, including the first leg of their last 16 Champions League tie against Chelsea. However, he will be available for England's 2022 World Cup qualifiers in March.
Twitter says it will wipe all the millions of followers from the official US presidential accounts before they're transferred to the Biden administration. In 2016, the social media giant agreed to a request from Donald Trump to inherit Barack Obama's followers. Joe Biden's team says it fought the plan. Twitter says it will have to start from scratch, though. In the city, the 100 share index closed up 43 points at 6,496. And the weather, much of England and Wales staying wet but mild tonight, turning very cold in Northern Ireland and Scotland with wintry showers on higher ground. Temperatures dropping to 4 Celsius in London, 2 in Belfast and Cardiff, and -3 in Edinburgh. BBC News, it's 5:05.
Come on, baby, mate. Every day that ho 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 makes me laugh. Thank you very much, Steve Wright. Oh, he's spritzing something in there. Oh, Josie, hello.
Welcome to Radio 2, one big happy family.
Actually, hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome along to your Christmas Eve Wednesday tea time extravaganza. As Santa gives his reindeer extra supper ahead of a couple of busy days, comment in from the call for a quick Vicks. 2 hours of tunes to make you dance around the kitchen, prance around the lounge, dash her home from work, or cuddle your daughter or blitz son. Sorry. There's features to show you're not remotely cupid. You might even be a dumb nerd. Send your messages to 88291. It'd be rude not to. As it's a Wednesday, there's a rhythm hit plus first and last, the half hour, and put on a glittery wig for the Sarahs, plus Sucker and Bad Santa. I'm excited. Love Actually shop assistant is excited.
Would you like it gift wrapped?
Oh, it's the best. Here we go then.
Might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here to take a break. Hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel like a room happiness is you. Cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. Love is too high, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Cause I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Hey, hey, hey. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Cause I'm happy.
How you doing then? Welcome to Wednesday, welcome to Christmas Eve, and welcome to your tea time. Oh, my echo's not on.
Happiness is
Tea time. Something like 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2.
what happiness is.
We need a man to come on stage, you know, when you do mic check 1, 2, 2 at a gig. Do you know what I mean? Show just a little bit of bottom at the top of his jeans, you know, as a beard. Can we get one of them in? Well, it's still tea time. It's still 2 hours of great non-stop fun. From non-stop occasionally. Pat Clifton in Yeovil's been on. Shout out to all my virtual and real Wren friends. They know who they are, she adds. So, yeah, I thought we could talk about this today because obviously we know that the real Father Christmas, right now, proper busy. He's probably like, no, don't talk to me, I'm concentrating. He's got to do last minute checks on the sleigh. He's got to make sure the reindeer are really well fed. He's got to keep an eye on all the elves. It's sorting out the naughty and nice list. I'm sure the nice list is really long this year. Everyone deserves a treat. The real Father Christmas is very, very busy. So let's talk about the other Santas. So the ones who pretend to be the real one. Did you get to meet a pretend Santa? Did you pull his beard? Were your kids terrified or gobsmacked or a bit of both? Did your dad play Santa at the Christmas fair? Did you spot somebody dressed up as Santa having a quick cheeky ciggy break by the bins around the back of the supermarket at the end of his shift? Let us know, please. 882921. That, of course, is the number if you just want to say hello.
I should hang up the phone, you said maybe don't. And I think I should go, you said maybe don't. Cause I run from the things that I want the most. You said I get this what you do, but we should never speak again. Because I like you. And lately it's been only getting worse. So we should never speak again. Because I want to. I've run through every outcome and everyone I'm hurt. Oh, I hate surprises, but you surprise me. I should hang up the phone, you said baby don't. And I think I should go, you said baby don't. Cause I run from the things that I want the most. You said I get this what you do, but baby don't. I'm not saying I know that you may be right. I don't know how to fall asleep unless you say goodnight. Said I run from the things that I want the most. You said I get this what you do, but baby don't.
I'm hoping I could get a word with your expectations. Cause they don't seem to be based on you and me. And you've been making group decisions about us without orders. Tell me what I'm gonna say and let me at it. I think it could be different if you let it.
I should hang up the phone, you said baby don't. And I think I should go, you said baby don't. Cause I run from the things that I want the most. You said I get this what you do, but baby don't. I'm not saying I know that you may be right. I don't know how to fall asleep unless you say goodnight. Yeah, I run from the things that I want the most. You said I get this what you do, but baby don't. Baby don't. Baby don't. Yeah, I run from the things that I want the most. And I get this what you do, but this is just a heads up. Honest people's heads up, only 'cause I'm scared of losing mine. If you could be less honest, take a couple less boxes, I could sabotage this and still be justified. I should hang up the phone, yes, I maybe don't. I should always be alone, yes, I maybe don't. 'Cause I run from the things that I want the most. I said I guess it's what you do, but the more I think you do, I'm not saying that I'm wrong, but you may be right. And I'm running out of reasons to push you aside. I'm running from the things that I want the most. I said I guess it's what you do, but baby don't.
This is BBC Radio 2, Sarah Cox.
Hey, Mr. Churchill comes over here to say where they spend it. But it's very cold out here in the snow, marching to and from the enemy. Oh, I say it's tough, I have had enough. Can you stop the cavalry? Every night down through these centuries. That is when I say, oh yes, yet again, can you stop the cavalry? Mary Bradley waits at home, and if we're full ourselves, wish I could be dancing now in the arms of the girl I
I've just come off at junction 2, are you? Is that the way you're doing? Or did you cut across?
I've gone the other way, which wasn't a good idea because the road's flooded completely.
Oh, I was going to say, I've just been through a massive blinking flood, are you?
Yeah.
Well, not massive, but yeah, it took up the whole road. Are you going to get through it?
I'm trying. Trouble is, it's not so much the flood, it's the broken down cars everywhere. I'm going round cars.
How away are you?
See the worst of it. I'm not far. I'm only 4 miles away.
Hopefully. Yeah, I thought this drinking room's bad. Well, I won't let you know before you get there. But yeah, you're in a lot worse state than me, I think.
Yeah, it's quite bad. There's another car.
Yeah. Oh, I'll let you get sorted, let you concentrate on the route, Mark. I'll see you when you get here then.
No worries. So I'm on my way. It's just completely flooded everywhere. I'm going around parked cars. I think I'm through the worst of it. I think.
Good stuff. Hopefully, it won't take you too much longer then.
No, say I'm 4 miles away. It's just the road's a nightmare.
Alright, good luck then. I'll see you in a few minutes.
See you in a bit.
Alright, bye. Bye.
You know me as one of Strictly's judges, but I've had enough of sitting down. Get me on the dance floor. I'm playing the songs that I love to dance to, and the tunes that have soundtracked my life. Here to help you shimmy samba and salsa your way into 2021.
Keep dancing with Luxy Mabuso.
Get on the dance floor and show me your moves.
Sunday night from 7
On BBC Radio 2.
Beautiful.
Hi, you there, Bobby? I am, Sarah. First of all, the A92 still closed following that vehicle fire between Arbroath and Carnoustie. M8 Glasgow eastbound at junction 12 to 11 for the Steps Road. They've just moved an accident. It's still a little bit slow there. Just come in on the M6 northbound, but before junction 34, looks like one lane is shut 2 miles south of junction 34 on the northbound side. Then we've got to the A43 northbound, closed with flooding between the A5 at Toaster, the M1 at junction 15A. A47 at I westbound is closed between I and the A16 at Peterborough. And to the M11 northbound, it is open again between 10 and 11 Duxford to the A10, but still one lane shut, so take care. M25 QE2 bridge clockwise over the bridge, a second breakdown between 31 and 1A, so one lane is shut. And the M25 anti-clockwise 10 to 9, they're still moving that debris. We had 2 lanes closed for quite a long time. They've still got 2 lanes shut through there. It's not causing a huge queue, which is the good news. Now, the A48 at Crick closed with the flooding between Crick and Penhow. M48 eastbound is blocked with the flooding between the M4 and Chepstow. Westbound is flooding as well, but you can use the westbound route. A38 Chudley southbound has reopened at Harcombe Cross to Chudley, but there's still a lane closed for recovery. Just the latest if you're heading down to Dover to Folkestone to Eurotunnel. So the M20 coastbound is what you have to use for either Eurotunnel or for the Port of Dover. That's not changed. For any other traffic going through, of course you've got the M20 coastbound, you've got the contraflow between 8 and 9 to go through. But what they've just done, or in the last half an hour, is close the London-bound M20. Now the contraflow coastbound is still in place, that lane, so you can still go coastbound. You can't get westbound between 9 and 8 at the moment, so you've got traffic queuing. We're trying to find out what's happening, what they're going to do with the diversion. We just don't know yet. I'm waiting for more information. And then finally, Irish Ferries at Anglesey, still no passenger service between Holyhead and Dublin and Pembroke and Rosslare. That was another one for you in half an hour.
Bobby, thank you very much. Let's play this new to 2. Times like this, we all need a little bit of Kylie Minogue. Here she is with a real groove.
Feel my heartbeat. It's the same old feeling coming over me tonight. Feel it buzzing. Said I'm never gonna